This is it for the cook-up rice. Look at this, guys. It's bubbling. I have the vegetable mix. I love a lot of this in cook-up rice, so I'll throw that in there just now. I have all the ingredients here. Coconut milk. The chicken here, barbecue, to go barbecue outside. It's already seasoning from last night. I have the beef here, already seasoning to that's going to be barbecue outside on the barbecue grill. Then I have some eggplant here to go roast to make choka. Guys, look at the cook-up rice cooking there. It's bubbling away and it looks so yummy. Look at everything inside. Beans, corn, green onion, green peas, rice, coconut milk, everything. Anything you want to put in, you're welcome to go ahead and do it. This is my way of cooking it. Okay guys, that's it for my cook-up rice. It's all done. That's it. Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're outside barbecuing. So today, this chef is Ramal, the barbecue chef. See, my backyard is in a mess, but it's under construction right now. But still we can cook. So what do you want to say to the camera?
Okay, here we're going to do some corn first, right? Some roast corn, Guyana style. We turn on this barbecue.
See the barbecue chef going?
There we go, it's on. So now we're going to turn it up and let it heat up.
You laughing? It's a long weekend, guys. Victoria Day in Canada, and we can't go nowhere, so we doing barbecue.
Instead of doing work in the backyard, I'm doing barbecue.
That's okay, it's just one weekend like that.
So guys, I just washed my barbecue. I wash everything up nice and clean. You can see I wash it good before I use it. Okay,
Of course you gotta wash.
I don't like to put it away and then take it back and use it and then wash it. I like to wash it.
So you're waiting for it to heat up?
Yes.
Okay. Barbecuing today. Some corn. We have some eggplant here. We're gonna be roasting that to make eggplant choka. And then I have 2 sweet potato. We'll be roasting. That is sauce for the barbecue. And these are here chicken and some beef. This is the beef. Going to barbecue. And then we have chicken here. See, that looks yummy. It didn't even cook yet. The chef got to do the cooking and I'm videoing today. I already did my part.
For once, I'm going to be the chef today.
Chef Ramal.
And I don't know to barbecue, I'm just trying, okay?
Yeah, right. He's a pro. I don't even know to turn on the barbecue. I know about the stove inside. Okay.
Now come here, show the temperature going up high. So I'm preheating this barbecue so you can hold the heat, and then I put the corn. See the gauge how it's going up? We're going to go to 400.
See the gauge? Anybody want a custom-made shed? Call our back. He's a pro for that. See? He's building one right now there, but it's not finished. My cooking gonna be done underneath there when it finished. I can't wait for that. See? The cooking will be done under there. That's the roof he's doing right now. Under here. And you put all the stove and everything is stored there. The saw for now. We did renovate in the backyard like construction, so he did the fence. People come and install a fence for him. And he put a nice little house here when I'm ready to put him outside.
Oh yes.
That's his house over there.
But she don't know she's gonna cry here. She's looking outside. Okay guys, here we're gonna put the carne in now.
Going to put on the carne to barbecue.
This is Guyana style. And you see our carne how you get? It's yellow and cream.
It's sweet like
And
sugar.
it's so sweet.
It's up to you. You're the chef. I'm just a video lady today. The chef Ramal cooking there.
You want to do a good job of seasoning them, you know?
Have ginger, turmeric, curry powder, everything I put in there to season it. So it tastes yummy. That's the beef he put in up there to cook.
And it's halal beef, okay?
All the meat we're eating is halal anyway, so.
That look good there right away, eh?
Smells good.
With
Yummy.
the corn and the beef.
Smells so delicious.
I'm gonna load on the stove how it's fast, you know? Nice stove with barbecue, sorry.
Make sure you open up the meat properly, eh? Because some of them fall up.
Yes, chef.
We don't want to eat rabbit.
Cover it.
You can put some in front of carne here, no? Or no? Nah, just okay. Let that finish and then you can put them.
I'm trying to put all of it, but
It can if it move it around. I can fit.
and guys, we like our beef well done. I don't like it medium or rare.
We're Guyanese, so that's the way we eat meat.
I like my meat to be cooked
Gotta
properly.
cook properly. Yeah, that's good.
And you know what? My wife, she take this meat and she pound it with a hammer.
You have to break up the muscle from the beef so it doesn't curl when you cook it and it cooks faster. That's a new one. You have to buy a mallet, a hammer.
I get mallet, but it's construction mallet, so that wouldn't work.
There's a contractor on the stove today. Look at that, a chef. That's it, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, so all the
the
beef
beef that
is
they cook.
there, the corn is there, and they cook.
Yeah. You put in the sweet potato.
I'm putting the sweet potato because all the meat is barbecue and the barbecue is heated, so you're gonna roast it really good in the meantime.
Yep. Good, good, good.
And you see, we can put on some rice at the side here too.
We have a nice little stove in the corner. A stove, I normally use it to cook, but today I finished my cooking inside. I did cook up rice. Ramalo planted some eggplant here, peppers, more eggplant. And we have some more here.
I do some gardening with some tomato, all different kind of tomato. You see here, and I plant celery and thing like that. And something came, like I think it's a rabbit. And the first time I put it on, the next day they eat it out. You can see it, the leaf. And this here is eggplant, and this what I'm eat here. You see them come and eat out everything, but he growing back now. And look my shallot coming up. This is my blueberry plant. You can see blueberry, so you can eat blueberry. This is my blueberry, and this one is raspberry. You can see raspberry, black one. And all this eggplant and celery and stuff like that. So hopefully when the yard finish, everything will be nice. We're going to show you back a video when it's done.
Really?
But that depends on the time I get.
That's it. The Chef Ramalo doing his thing there.
Turn the corn around all right.
The beef and everything cooking there, look at that.
Look at that, guys. Just like when the wife used to do it, you know.
I don't normally do the barbecue. He's the one doing that.
No, but you do that in your fryer inside your kitchen, right?
But the barbecue is better because it's smoking it up. And over here they pay lots of money for the smoked meat. So the chef just washed out the bowl to put the beef inside. The beef that he cooked in there. On YouTube channel, Chef Ramal. Look. We need to eating beef and the corn.
That's properly, you see.
You can't cook it too much because it's thin. I think you're gonna have to try a piece just now. Maybe 1 minute more and you're done. Mask because the allergy. You get allergy to outside. The flowers and stuff. So you gotta wear a mask on. Right now.
I'm going to a couple minutes more.
Barbecue sauce on the beef because it's finished.
It's like a paint job, you know.
Paint in the meat.
I'm learning, you know.
You're right. Yeah, because it's sliced very thin and I hit it out, so all the muscle loose up. There, that's the beef. See? The beef finished there. Yummy, yummy looking. Chicken just now?
And this here, cheers.
Let me piece for try. Yeah.
You put the chicken out.
Chicken going to cook now. Look at that.
And again, everything is halal here, okay?
Just gotta trust the people them that tell us it's halal. A lot of store carry halal meat now. Even Costco do, which is nice. It doesn't want to go. So from I'm gonna try the beef just now.
Let me try this beef and see how you walk. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, watch me. I put the thing in my mouth now. Tastes good.
How it is? Good? It's all about the seasoning, eh?
Try piece.
Look, I'm allowed to try too. Yummy. Perfect done too.
Yeah.
Good job. Chef Ramal, good job. Thumbs up for you.
Thumbs up?
Chef Ramal, turn in the corner.
So you see I turned the chicken already.
Yeah, the chicken turned the can almost finished. And the sweet potato get in the heat there.
So I'm gonna lock it down. I don't want you guys to see it.
Just kidding.
Okay guys, watch this here, be careful.
You like to be funny, guys, when you cooking.
That's the way I like my carne. See there? Just done. Okay, with my carne now. All of it.
Finished product is coming out, corn.
Done. Done.
Turn the meat.
Turn the meat, the chicken. I see we don't do chicken with the skin on.
Even curry small. Chef Ramal. Chef Crimp.
Chef Sam Body.
Zambo's son.
Okay guys, now we're gonna heat the carne because it's a little cold. And look how my carne is, you know? And look, I come closer for you. Tastes good and juicy. And this carne, like I say, is sweet. So,
I'm eating too while I'm videoing. It's yummy. He's enjoying his corn.
the good thing with this, you gotta eat this carne when it's hot. When it's cold, I don't like it.
It doesn't taste the same.
When it's hot, it tastes good. Okay guys, I'm putting on some sauce on this chicken here. I already some of them, you know. It all seems like the leg alone is finishing more fast than the rest. So I turn it over and put sauce.
You get half? Oh yeah.
Sweet, yeah? Now I can bring it down a little bit from there. Yeah.
Eggplant.
I get. Okay, we're gonna close this up like we cook. And that's it. We get something named was here. Okay, we go doing some chicken. How you done? So I rub the sauce on it.
I'll not finish one time, so how it finish, you put the sauce on it and take it out after. Ah? Almost finished.
Okay guys, we're gonna try this with eggs now and see how it tastes.
Oh, you're gonna try the leg? You try it.
You want a piece?
No, I don't want to eat.
I like to share it with you.
That's fine, you try it.
Okay, maybe a little hot, right? So, look at this.
Good?
Tastes the smokiness of the sauce.
Yeah.
And the barbecue. Tastes really good.
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up. The lady who prepared it.
Thumbs up for the chef.
Yeah, and look at this. See how good he done? Really good.
Well done. That's good. Good job, Chef Ramal. Chicken almost done. Look.
I will move it on the side. So in that way, I can put the eggplant on it. What we call baigan. Oh, look at these bad boys here. They're getting good.
Eggplant time.
Eggplant time, baigan time,
I slash it and put garlic in there.
and there's garlic all in there. So it's really good inside.
When it roasts, the garlic roasts together. You get a normal taste on a barbecue. Smoky flavor in there. Feel like you come from the fireside.
So I'm gonna lock that down and wait till the chicken finish, and then I'm gonna show you here.
Inside.
That's what you gotta do. Oh yeah.
You turned soft already, or no?
Get there.
And those eggplant. Those are clean then. Mash it up just like that and put it in the black. Freeze it, and when they're ready to eat, baigan choker. Just fry up the tomato, chill out onion, and mix it in there, and that's it. Yummy.
And guys, this is really good barbecue eggplant choker. And when you take it out and you make it and you taste it, it's like smoke. You carry smoke and you lock that down. Okay, so I already rubbed the sauce on this, and this is the last chicken, so that's it.
That's the full chicken. And the eggplant and the sweet potato left.
See the chicken there? Nice and juicy.
Yeah, the chicken done. You doing the baigan?
See the eggplant how you taking shape there now? This finished, so we're gonna take it down and put it in this.
I'm going to have to get a bowl from the inside. I'm going to put it on top here. I'll put them inside and look after it.
That's it for the sweet potato, you see?
Yeah, he took it out. The eggplant coming around good here, look at that.
Good too. Listen, knock me just now, it smells really good.
This one, eggplant, I love that. That's the normal way to roast it.
Guys, but I tell you something, when it's done, it's really good.
He mean the smoke, the charcoal taste to it, that's what he likes. Like when you roast them in Guyana fireside, like that it tastes.
Look at that. The eggplant is doing like a baigan. I'm roasting baigan. See color how it look? Nice. Okay. There we go. Okay guys, that's it. Baigan finished roast, eggplant finished roast. So here we go. I get three in the bowl and finish there.
Okay guys, this is what I'm sharing out. 4 people getting it. All the chicken, the beef, one more here, and that's it. And this is the baigan that's roasted. I'm gonna peel it and freeze it. I'd like to say thank you guys for subscribing, liking my video, give me thumbs up, and this is it for this cooking episode. Keep watching and take care of yourself. Stay safe till the next video come out. Bye for now.